there is this smooth light pulley over which this blue green color string, inextensible string, is passed over. So, and the two ends of this string are connected to the masses m1 and masses m2. Now in such pulley equations they ask for what is the tension in such systems and the acceleration of the both the blocks. Okay, so this is the questions they generally ask. Now let's assume that this mass m2 is greater than mass m1, and as a result it is going downwards. Okay, it is going downwards, and as a result this mass m1 will go upwards. Now since this string in inextensible string, so this mass m2 will have the same acceleration as this mass m1. So let's say that these accelerations are a. Okay, now we will draw the free body diagram of mass m1. Okay, so let me draw it over here to the left. Okay, so what are the forces? The upward force, that is tension, is there. Because of this tension it is going up. Downward force m1g is there. Okay, and since this block mass of mass m1 is going upwards, that means T is greater than m1g, because then only it will go upwards. So T minus m1g is equal to m1a is our first equation. Now similarly for the second mass m2, what we will do? Again we will draw a free body diagram. The mass m2 has the downward force due to gravity m2g, and upward force is again tension. Now here the mass m2g is greater than T, so that means it is going downwards, so that's why m2g is greater than T. So that means m2g minus T is equal to m2a. This is second equation. Now we have to add this first two equations, one equation and this second equation, and let's see what we will get after adding this. So now if I add these two equations, what I will get is m2g minus m1g. I hope you know how to add the equations. So the left hand side we are adding now here, and this will be equal to right hand side will be also added. So this is m1 plus m2 times a. So what we will get over here, we will go to the next. M2g minus m1g is equal to m1 plus m2a. This is what we have got, right? So just we have to take g common from this. So if I take g common, and if we divide both the sides by m1 plus m2, we will get the value of acceleration. So this is the value of acceleration. Okay, so you can try this problem from your textbook using this formula. Now what about the tension? Again tension is then easy to find out. Let's substitute the value of a in this first equation. So the first equation says that T is equal to m1 times g plus a. So the tension will be equal to m1 times g plus a. A value is m2 minus m1 times g divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the g value. I can take g common, so this will be T m1g. Okay, so again this is 1 plus m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2. So if I solve this again, what I will get? T is equal to m1g times m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. I am just taking LCM. m1 plus m2 plus m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this m1 and this m1 gets cancelled, so it is 2m2. So this becomes 2m1 m2g divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the tension that you will get.